One of the questions I get all the time is about people cracking their neck. Is it good? Is it bad? It's really not the greatest. If you're just moving around and your neck makes noise, that's fine. But don't ever grab onto it and try and crack it yourself. Like, show them what I mean. Like that kind of stuff, and try and move it real fast and crack it. What you're going to do is you're going to move the easy ones. There's 24 movable joints in the spine. And you're going to move the ones that are easy to move. So those ones that are really stuck, that are really the problem, which is the ones that we would address. We would look for ones that are really stuck and get motion back into those. Those are the ones that I would move. What you're doing is moving those easy to move ones, so it makes those other ones be able to be even more stuck. So that's why there's short-term relief, but it goes away real quick. So just don't do that.